If you want to turn on automatic backups on Redmi Note 15, you have to go to the settings. Now open About Phone, and over here go to the detailed info and specs. I mean to the backup and restore. Now we have to click on the settings icon in the right upper corner and go to the backup automatically. Click on this switcher and select the days. For example, let's get automatic backup every Friday, and there's the time. So for example, let's get it like 6 p.m. Click OK, and here you can check your backup items. So you can backup all of your apps, or you can select specific apps by going here. And also you can select what you want to backup. So you can basically backup every settings and every features of your phone, even something like recorder or the quick ball. But you can also select some specific things, like for example, if you want to only backup your camera or gallery, you can do that like this, and you have to click select. Now we can just go back, and that's how we can do this. There's also option to verify account to restore items, and here you can manage all of your backups. Thanks for watching this video.